here to fight. Because it feels good to hit people, it feels good to get hit.
I was ex-military, I was in the Air Force, then I went to Columbia University, studied sociology, went for a master's in finance at Harvard University, and then, you know, what it seemed the natural progression is going to Wall Street, right? Remember I was asked by a supervisor at Morgan Stanley, like, what motivates you? Does money motivate you? And I was like, no. So at an investment bank, they don't know what to do with you at that point, right? Like, if money doesn't motivate you, then what do we do, you know? And I was like, well, what motivates you? I was like, helping people. I like to help people. No, I don't have a six-figure salary anymore. No, I don't have that whole kind of life that I used to have when I worked at Wall Street, but it's a very deep, more fulfilling life now.
So I'm just here for the violence. Dish and receive.